very amazingly, I made 10 steps for self-love practicing.
Wow.
That would be more easier for everyone to grab
Yeah,
it.
please.
So first step is accept yourself.
Okay.
Accept as you are.
Perfect.
Right or wrong doesn't matter. The important
करो.
is accept. अपने आप को accept
Yeah,
करो
हाँ,
भाई.
हाँ, भाई एक ही तो है.
एक ही है. टेढ़ा है मेरा है.
हाँ, तेरा सीधी बात.
Then the second point is appreciation. Appreciate yourself. बहुत लोग अपने आप को अप्रिशिएट नहीं करते, खुद ही को गालियां देते हैं या विक्टिम
हाँ.
बनाते हैं या पता नहीं क्या क्या बोलते हैं.
A very bad habit.
वेरी बैड हैबिट. खुद ही
Very
को
bad
कम they want to deep
I don't know
themselves.
what sort of happiness, मतलब वो होता है ना victimhood में भी अलग खुशी मिलती है उनको.
होता है, ट्रिपी है.
हाँ, ये भाई अलग से सैडनेस, भाई उदास सॉन्ग से ज्यादा कुछ नहीं चलता इंटरनेट के ऊपर, सैड सॉन्ग्स वर्क लाइक दैट.
या सो अपने आप को अप्रिशिएट करो. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू
Yeah.
अप्रिशिएट योरसेल्फ.
Yeah.
अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम भी कर दिया या कोई पंगा भी कर दिया, बहुत बढ़िया पंगा किया भाई, मैं ही कर सकती थी. इससे बढ़िया और इतनी सुंदर तरीके से पंगा और कौन कर सकता था.
और ऐसे सोच कौन सकता है.
So always appreciate yourself.
Absolutely.
Whatever people are, you don't have to talk about your appreciation in front of the other people. You can do it in your mind with yourself in the room.
Yeah, it's the most important one.
Yes. And the third is the intent. Have clear intention that what you want to do in your life now. Because with that intention, you're going to work on everything.
Correct.
Then the fourth point is reform. Once you start working on your intention and working out, you will have changes in your life. So you will have a reformation of yourself. Allow yourself to reform. Allow yourself to change.
Correct.
It's okay to change.
हाँ, मतलब सेम तो नहीं दिख सकते पूरी जिंदगी भर, राइट.
और कभी सेम दिखते भी नहीं हो आप.
हाँ.
सो फिर अपने आदतों को क्यों एकदम सेम रखना.
करेक्ट.
अपने इमोशन को क्यों सेम रखना.
करेक्ट.
Allow it to change. And the fifth one is adore yourself.
हाँ, ये इम्पोर्टेंट है.
भाई आप ही अपने, वो कहते हैं ना, यू आर द किंग और क्वीन और गॉड और गॉडेस ऑफ योर लाइफ.
या ऑब्वियसली.
आप एग्जिस्ट करते हो तो इसलिए आपकी दुनिया एग्जिस्ट करती है.
करेक्ट.
आप एग्जिस्ट नहीं करते तो कोई भी नहीं एग्जिस्ट करता, कोई प्रॉब्लम भी नहीं एग्जिस्ट करती.
गेम ओवर.
गेम ओवर. सो अप्रिशिएट से भी ज़्यादा अपने आप को पूजो.
या आई वुड से यहाँ पे ना एक लाइन में ऐड करना चाहूंगा, जस्ट टू ऐड अ वैल्यू टू इट, इज कि नोबडी अंडरस्टैंड्स यू बेटर देन योरसेल्फ.
एब्सोल्युटली.
सो जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट आपको सुनना है ना, आप ही को पता है.
वेरी ट्रू, वेरी ट्रू. एंड उसके साथ साथ यू आर द गॉड.
या
आप अपने आप को ना उस लेवल पे देखो, उस पोजीशन पे देखो, बिकॉज दैट विल मेक यू फील मोर पावरफुल एंड स्ट्रेंथफुल,
एब्सोल्युटली.
मोर करेजियस.
Absolutely.
So these 5 steps are very important. And then follow the next 5 steps. That is kindness. Be kind towards yourself.
कोई बात नहीं, बुरा दिन भी होते हैं.
हाँ, होते
जाने
हैं.
दो.
कर दिया तो कर दिया, कोई नहीं, हो जाता है यार.
Don't keep it in your heart.
बड़े बड़े देशों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है, सेनोरिटा.
जरूरी है यार, you have to forgive yourself यार.
So kindness होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Then उसके बाद है authenticity. Be authentic.
This is very 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 important.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अपनी ऑथेंटिसिटी लेके आना बहुत ज़रूरी है. लाइक एक कोई भी आप काम करने जा रहे हो, अगर आपकी उसमें ऑथेंटिसिटी नहीं है, वो उतना खिल के नहीं आएगा, उसमें उतनी अप्रिशिएशन भी नहीं मिलेगी आपको.
Yeah.
बट जो आप वो करोगे ना, चाहे वो दूसरे एक्सेप्ट करें या ना करें, बट देयर वुड बी फ्यू पीपल वुड लव दैट वर्क
Yeah.
एंड दे वांटेड एग्जैक्टली दैट वर्क ओनली.
आई थिंक ये स्टूपिड का नोशन खत्म कर देना चाहिए. लाइक यू माइट फील इट्स अ स्टूपिड थिंग, बट किसी और के लिए लाइफ चेंजिंग है.
एब्सोल्युटली.
And I have experienced that, initially when I shot some of the videos, I felt like क्या ही फर्क पड़ेगा किसी को, है ना? And it went viral, and then I was like, okay, इसको फर्क पड़ा. I was thinking this is stupid. Everybody should be knowing this already, right?
Absolutely.
But he didn't.
Absolutely. Initially what happened with me was मैं sound sessions देती थी and I was like, दे दिया, हो गया, खत्म कहानी.
हाँ.
But when people met me after 6 months and they said, one of the person said कि your one sound therapy helped me so much that when my father passed away, I really wanted to quit everything. And I still have that feeling of the, healing that I had at that time. And that made me go through.
Wow.
So I was like, really?
Yeah. Like Seriously, ऐसे incidents होते हैं.
Absolutely.
Even with me, it happened suddenly in a gym. I don't know, very divine intervention. मैं सुबह गया था. I had a very surreal experience with Shivling. I was the only one in the temple. Early morning, Monday. I don't know. और उस दिन एक चीज़ थी जो वर्कआउट नहीं करी थी मेरे लिए. And I wasn't very sad about it or something like. I don't keep anything. मैं उनको बस यही बोलता हूँ कि जो बेस्ट है वो करो. It's not about winning or losing. ठीक है. And then I met a guy, elder to me, almost twice my age. Suddenly walked up, and I see an experience of we had a conversation, and he broke down. Like you said exactly what the things I wanted to hear. Somehow, healed me, or like he did a namaskaram and he went away, and I was like, what has happened? And then I realized, okay, the shivling thing was meant to happen to go through this because I was energized because I wanted to pass on that energy to someone else. It was not mine. It was coming through me.
You become a channel.
You become a channel. You become a
Yes.
channel, but that comes from surrender.
Yes.
You need to understand it's not yours.
Yes.
अगर खुद का मान लिया तो खुद के पास ही रहेगा.
True. So the next point is uniqueness. Build your own uniqueness
Yeah,
because your uniqueness will help you stand out.
yeah,
And don't be scared of showing your uniqueness.
yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah.
And you are unique. No doubt
Yeah,
about
yeah,
it.
Yeah.
आपके जैसा और कोई भी नहीं है पूरी दुनिया
हाँ.
में.
मैं फ्लॉन्ट करता हूँ मेरा गला टूटा था.
So you allow yourself to flaunt your uniqueness.
Yeah.
Then is respect.
Very important again.
Respect yourself. If you won't respect yourself, nobody else will respect you. So allow yourself to give that respect to yourself first. Because that respect will follow to other people. And all the point that we are sharing is not only for yourself. The same is for other people also. But you can show that to other people only when you have experienced it.
Obviously, yeah.
And the last one is, the 10th point is royal. Live like a royal life.
Wow.
Because you are meant to.
Yeah, people think they don't deserve it. I don't know why.
You totally deserve it.
Yeah.
You believe you deserve it. You allow yourself
अरे at least
that
तुम
you
तो believe
deserve it.
करो. कोई और करे ना करे तुम तो करो.
So these 10 points, it's like accept, appreciate, intent, reform, adore, kindness, authenticity, uniqueness, respect, and royal. 10 points that allow you to follow self-love,
Yeah.
and
yeah.
that will allow you to heal yourself in a very finer state.
And I believe you have mentioned this all things in detail in the book. So yeah, definitely check it out.
Definitely you check it out, and moreover, you will always remember it with AIRA KAURR.
Oh. लोगों को अगर नहीं समझा तो it's her name.
It's my name, it's Ira Kaur.
Yeah.
So remember the self-love tips, and you will see a transformation within you.
Yeah.